Enfield Bullet Classic 350. Price. The price of Royal Enfield Bullet is about 1.38 lakh rupees, ex-showroom price, Delhi. Specifications. Royal Enfield Bullet is equipped with single-cylinder 4-stroke, twin-spark, air-cooled petrol engine with 5-speed manual transmission. Mileage. Average estimated mileage, 37 km per liter. Maximum speed, 130 km per hour. Some features: tubeless tires, electric start, spoke wheels, analog speedometer. Colors: Lagoon, ash, black, reddish blue, silver, mint, chestnut. Thank you.